you have to eat 3 times a day pa rin. But, in a certain, you have to hit a certain calorie deficit. Or if kibali, 2,000 yung, do you bulk? No, I don't bulk. That's not healthy daw. Ingon sabi ng ano namin, it's not healthy for your body because you're crashing your body. So, it's like, you're punishing your body through bulking. You eat a lot today for a week maybe and then burn it. That's not healthy, guys. Nag 20k din ako steps. Tingnan natin, search ko. Ay, hindi kasi pag-aalis ako. Pero naka 20 ako and then I added another 6,000 steps. So, it's 26 steps. So, I did 20 kilometers this day. Kanina morning and kaninang hapon. Oo, kasi I weightlift eh. Yeah. Tama, Kuya Mark. My God, I cannot do a 15,000 kilometer run. I hate long runs. That's why, pag ako nag-run ako, minamadali ko na mahit ko agad yung certain na kilometer. Ayokong tatagalan pa akong tumatakbo. Kasi mamamatay talaga ako ng malala. I hate running, but, you know, the endorphins hits, and it's so funny. Oh, it's so happy. I get so happy after that. Yeah, if you want to gain clean bulking. Tama, Kuya Mark. Dapat lean meat, like chicken breast, your eggs. Make sure to eat your eggs. Make sure to eat your, proteins. But, too much proteins, ang problem lang din pag nasobran tayo ng proteins is apektado yung kidney natin. So, we have to always eat right. Nagli-lifting din ako. Let's go, Timotya! Nagli-lift ng team. Charot. Ano naman yan? O hindi kaya, Timotya. Di ko kaya favorite si Kuya Renz. Bahala siya dyan. I agree, I am the same. How can I exercise if I don't have time? You have time. It's just, you're the one who's thinking that you don't have time. Kasi pag gusto mo, may paagi. Ano yung sa Tagalog? Pag gusto mo, may paraan. Pag ayaw mo, you're doubting. Ang daming dahilan. I'm in law school, so diet is key. But, Cheska, you need to have, like, if you're doing calorie deficit or you're doing diet, you have to eat a lot because your brain needs, we call this, your brain needs minerals and vitamins. Ako nagle-lift ng spirit. Ako nagle-lift. Nagle-lift ng, halika magsamgyup na kaya tayo after jogging. Hala! May, what's your haircut? It's, cut the dead haircut. I just cut whatever's killing my hair. So, whatever's dead, I cut it off. But now, I'm trying to, pinapahaba ko na siya ngayon. Burpees are the best. I love burpees, guys. It's fun. If you usually do core workout, kasi I always do core workout, and I stopped for 3 months. Ngayon, wala na akong abs. So, ngayon, babalik ko yun. So, magko-core workout ako, tsaka magpipilates. Like, mat pilates. Body weight. Tsaka, try ko kaya mag-weight din, mag-weights. Kasi, kailangan din ng weights para for, scientifically speaking, kasi may nabasa ako na trivia na kailangan pa rin natin mga babae, lalo na mga babae na 3 times a week mag-lift. That's nice! Happy birthday, Jessica and Janine! What's in your shopping cart? Clothes, guys. Clothes. I forgot kung giunsa nimo ang carrots na imong baon during workshop. Baon during workshop. Gipakain ko lahat. Shinare ko lahat yung carrots ko with everyone. And it's a nice carrots. I bought it sa sa merkado. And maganda yung carrots kasi matamis. Okay lang ako. Thank you for asking. Guys, I love carrots. It makes my eyes laga. Gising ako kasi, gising pa ako. Hello. Hello. My every good things. I thought na akay technique before eating it. Before kasi kumakain, anong technique? Kuya? But every time na before I take a meal, I exercise first. So, nung nandun ako sa PETA, ginagawa ko, taas baba ako sa hagdanan. Tapos mga 5,000 steps yan. Nag-aakit ako, aakit, baba. Sa kakapagod kasi ang sakit niya sa paa. Pero wala akong magawa. Kasi wala na akong exercise nun. Tsaka lumaki talaga ako malala the last time. Yes, kasi it's made with love. Char! Hello, Angie. May I ask kung unsay imo weight? Normal lang. Within normal weight lang ako, guys. I'm 48 kilogram. Around 48. 47, 48, 49. Yan lang. Puli-puli. Kasi every time we eat, of course, may mass din yung kinakain natin. So what happens is, we store that mass into our bodies. And yeah, we also adapt the weight of the food that we eat. And then, kasi guys, I'm having troubles with letting out my body waste. Dumi sa katawan. Hirap na hirap ako dyan. So, may digestive enzymes para malabas ko kasi hirap akong tawag nito? There's this, anong tawag nun? Kamot na ako, naunsa? It's the skipping rope, guys. I forgot why I stopped doing it. Now I remember why. It's because, naputhan ako. And it's because of this. I forgot about it. Yeah, nagko-constipation ako, guys. Tapos pag naka-digestive enzymes ako, ang sarap lumabas. I do eat balot po. Yes po. Hello, what do you mean? Player. Yes po, masaya. Happy birthday, Day. Hello, name is Ellie. Ali? Happy birthday, Ali. Happy birthday to you. Kala ko halo-halo. Foreign blood? Yeah, I do have foreign blood. I am half Filipino, half Russian and half Jewish. Ay, half. 1/4 Russian and 1/4 Jewish. Guys, lutang na ako. Anong ganap mo bukas? Bukas is a secret. Guys, di talaga glowing skin kung may filter lang ako. Pero, ngayon nagkawala ng konti na yung pimples ko. Kasi, I truly believe na if bumalik, nung kasi nag-ano ako nung time na nakita ko yung difference. So, ayun, di ba, nag-ano kami, what do you call this? What do you call it? Nag-hot summer kami. So, we really eat healthy. So, healthy meat, lean meat, we eat gulay, we eat the proper amount of carbs that our body need. And what happened is, my skin got clearer, and I've never felt better. And then, there's this time after that, this past 3 months, I eat a lot, not a lot, sakto lang, and I eat the same. And what happened is, it's because the choice of food that I ate are not healthy. So, ang nangyari is, nag-bloat ako. So, kasi one thing na nakaka-bloat ng malala is yung oats. Tapos talaga nag-oats. Oat milk, tsaka oats, tsaka... Guys, nahook kasi ako sa ano. Hoy, Ella! Saan ka na? Namiss na kita la. How are you? So, what happened? And then, nag-bloat ako. And then, I got more hungrier because I started eating sweets again. Like, non-stop, guys. Non-stop eating sweets. Hello. Next time po. Next time. Non-stop eating sweets. So, I was like, eating. Kasi nahook ako sa ano. Yeah, kuya, oats. I bloat sa oats. And then, what I do is that, alam mo yung flour ko is oats na rin. So, I make pancake. I thought it was like good. And it is healthy. It's my pancake. It's my flour. So, I made a batter out of it. And I make pancakes out of it with just 4 ingredients. Oh, 5 ingredients. I have like the oats, 2 eggs, a dash of vanilla. Make sure to have your milk. And cinnamon. I love cinnamon, guys. I love cinnamon so much. And then, yeah, I've been eating that the whole time. And then, what I do to my oats too, I make it as my cookie. Yung nangyari is, I make cookies. Dapat pala hindi linalagi. So, yeah, now I've learned my lesson and now I'm getting back. I just started this week. So, I already hit my goal na I perfect my kasi nag-download ako ng Facer. So, I perfect my everyday walk to hit. Everyday steps to hit. So, I perfect that. And it's my 8th day. So, it's been a week. And, yeah. So, don't eat, if you wanna eat cookies, make sure you just have that one time in a month. Because, yeah. Shout out to you, Ali. Muuli ako bagan sa Siargao. Next year. Because right now, I'll be busy this year. For Tabing Ilog, and I have tapings. And guys, pag-pray nyo ko, guys. How about cheat day? Siguro gagawin ko na lang talagang cheat day. Kasi sa 9, I'm gonna visit a friend. We're gonna bake together with her mom.